Hi everyone, I hope everyone had a wonderful Mother's Day weekend. I know I did. I was able to stick with my keto and carnivore diet the whole weekend and spend a lot of time with my family. I am going to be sharing some recipes today that I made on day 27, and I'm going to share them with you and show you what I made. Here I mixed some ground turkey and hamburger meat, 2 eggs, and some green onion and cilantro, and I just mixed them together in a bowl, and then I put them in this pan, and I shaped it with my fingers so that it would have a little reservoir around the pan so that when it cooks, the grease can go over on the side. And I like to use parchment paper, and I trimmed the parchment paper, you can see there, but it makes cleanup so much easier. So I use it a lot. And then I just put it in the oven at 350 and baked it for 35 minutes. And then I put this Primal Kitchen ketchup on it, and I found that for $1 at Walmart. And then I baked it for another 20 minutes and took it out of the oven and cut it up. It was very good, delicious. Richard loved it too. I did have this serving tool here, but it came out so easy. I just used my knife and fork, so I didn't even have to use that serving tool, and it came out really good and delicious. And usually when I make my meatloaf, I put like breadcrumbs or something in it, but since this is the keto version, I did not put any breadcrumbs, crackers, oatmeal, or anything like that in that. It's purely carnivore. And I had some salmon that I had already made, and I added some more butter on it and heated that up, and that is what we had for lunch. It was so good and very filling and very nutritious. So this is what I had on day 27. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.